During a day, we received a visitor, the 9-year-old Miracle Malama, her voice breaking as tears streamed down her face. "I am tired of sleeping in the court because of Grandma's poverty," she said. For her, attending school is a nightmare, and her single daily meal barely keeps them going. The humanitarian crew from iDutch TV Zambia was deeply shaken by her pain and her tears, yet still struggled to believe such suffering. A decision was then made to visit them secretly at night, and this is what was found: the same 9-year-old preparing to sleep in the open. 50-year-old Vidalia Mkuka is a widow caring for 5 children on her own. She once lived in a rented house, paying 300 kwacha per month, but after failing to pay for 4 months, the landlord locked the house along with all her belongings as collateral for the debt she still owes. With nowhere else to turn to, she moved to Mandevu makeshift market, commonly known as Pamalasha. Here, among the stores, she sleeps with her children and grandchildren. Sometimes she drops nights thinking about what only herself knows. To raise the 1,200 kwacha needed for the landlord, she sells someone else's charcoal. But the little she earns cannot clear the debt. Until she raises the 1,200 kwacha, she will never reclaim her home or her belongings, and her children and grandchildren will continue sleeping here. Life is unbearably harsh. They use shoes instead of pillows to shield their heads, while a mosquito net is simply laid over them because the open space has no corners to hold it up. Jenje is reporting for iDutch TV in Lusaka.
So bamayo mashi winshi mu kweteko aya kutasha kuba fyashi abachi nyafirishako
My God will never lie. My God will never fail. My God will never disappoint. He is always here to help. My God will never change. My God will never lie. My God will never disappoint. He is always here to help. Iganwekwe kiyere mumugyo amamiga yekwe kiyere mumugyo Chukwu iganwekwe kiyere mumugyo amamiga yekwe kiyere mumugyo. My God will never lie. My God will never fail. My God will never disappoint. He is always here to help. My God will never change. My God will never lie. My God will never.
In Mandevu compound. So this is a story of a 50-year-old woman who was sleeping with her children for 6 months in the court. So after the story aired, you were moved with your team. So we want to say thank you so much for the help that we've rendered, for the support of the business. Also, the kids have been taken to school today, and also for the food items that have been given to them. We want to say thank you so much. May God bless you. May God bless your team. May also God add more years to your life, so that through the years that will be added to you, lives will be changed, lives will be transformed. Thank you so much. God bless you.
Amen. Thank you. So this is the mother, the children. Yeah, sure. We bless the name of the Lord for Papa Billy. Yeah.